Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be dealing about loop law or Kirchoff loop law. Well, it can be stated as in any loop of a closed circuit elements such as batteries and resistors, the sum of voltage differences across all the circuit elements must be 0. That is, summation of V is equal to 0. Now, we can see that the voltage difference is measured in volts and is denoted by V. The current in the loop is measured in amperes and is denoted by A. The resistance of the circuit elements is given in ohms, which is denoted by rho. Rho is volt per ampere or volt by ampere. We can find a relation that V is equal to IR, which means V stands for voltage, I stands for current and R stands for resistance. All these three elements are interlinked with each other, which means voltage is directly proportional to current and resistance. From this, we can conclude that when voltage increases, current increases and resistance also increases. So, we'll discuss some important points now. Well, you can see the two different arrangements of resistors over here. In the first one, we can observe that the ending point of R1 is connected to the starting point of R2, and in the ending point of R2 is connected to the starting point of R1, and this arrangement keeps on going. In the second one, we can see that all these resistors are connected between two different points. Let this point be A and this point be B. So these resistors are connected between these 2 points only. Suppose if I have to go from A to B, I can choose the way from R1, R2 and R3 or so on. This means that the current flowing through these resistors is different and the voltage difference between all these resistors is equal. And in this point, if I have to go from point A to point B, I have to move in a single path, which means the current flowing in all these resistors is equal. So, R equivalent can be written as R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus so on till Rn, whereas R equivalent for parallel resistors can be written as 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus so on till 1 by Rn.